Now, Storm Tracker 13 with the area's most powerful HD live Doppler radar.
11 minutes past the 5 o'clock hour, and we're starting out with some fog this morning, but we're still comfortable out there before we bring on the heat this afternoon. 83 degrees by 5 o'clock. Average high for this time of year in the upper 70s. So we're well above that, and by the time we get towards the end of the work week, we're talking about 10 to even 15 degrees above average for a good chunk of the eastern two-thirds of the country. Big story this morning, though, is that cloud on the ground in the form of the fog right along the Ohio River as well as the canal. Watch out along I-77, I-64, I-79. Allow a little extra time in your commute and remember to slow it down, especially when you run into the very dense fog like we're already seeing here over downtown Huntington. You can barely make out some of the lights here down below, so once again, allow some extra time and slow it down. This morning, at least we're dry here on Live Doppler radar, and we'll really remain that way over the next couple of days. Yes, we'll throw a shower into the mix, but just enough actually to cool us down. Temperatures here right now in the upper 50s and lower 60s, so still comfy, but the heat, it will be coming on out of the southwest with high pressure overhead, and high pressure is really our predominant weather feature over the next couple of days, just putting up the fence here for any of the showers back towards the west. Yes, we could see 1 or 2 showers or thunderstorms by Tuesday afternoon across southern Ohio, eastern portions of Kentucky, even the mountains of West Virginia I think would be fair game, especially as we go into Wednesday as a weak cold front basically washes out across the region. Thursday we start to dry out. Yes, the shower chance is still there, but all eyes are actually focused on this Jose off to the east, which could pose some problems up towards Boston as well as Providence with some high waves as well as some coastal flooding and some very heavy rain and a brief period of wind up that way. So if you're doing any traveling that way, expect some airport delays up there because of Hurricane Jose, but very busy here in the tropics. We have Norma and Otis out in the Pacific, and then we have Maria, which we're really turning our eyes to over the next 3 to 5 days because this could be a big time issue, at least for Puerto Rico as a major hurricane. So the latest on Jose, well, he's going curvo out to sea with winds at 85 miles per hour. Still a Category 1 hurricane, likely to go to a tropical storm later today. Bigger story, Maria. There you go, Puerto Rico. Major hurricane as we get towards early Thursday morning, Dominican Republic, and then from there it goes into the Bahamas. It actually tries to stay away from Florida, so that's good news. We want to see that curve continue to go out to sea once it gets towards Puerto Rico, but of course we don't want to see it hit Puerto Rico with water temperatures 81 to 85 degrees. That's hurricane fuel out there, and that's double trouble because we have Maria and we also have Lee, but luckily Lee will not be a factor. It's Maria. That's the big issue over the next 3 to 5 days that we will be keeping an eye on since there's not much weather around here. 84 on your Monday, 83 on Tuesday, 84 again on Wednesday. Yeah, a spotty shower there, but can't complain about that. Great pool weather, at least for late September going into October. And then it gets hotter. Fall arrives on Friday, 88 degrees. We should be down around 77, so that's 10 degrees above average, and we keep it going into the weekend.
Do we know yet when this summer weather is going to be over for us? I mean, I'm hoping we'll have it for a while. But
yeah, it looks like the long-range models really over the next 6 to 10 days kind of hold on to the heat, and then it slowly takes us into the cooler weather. So it's not going to come on just yet. I know a lot of folks asking, where's the snow at? We are 97 days away from Christmas if you really want to talk about that, but let's just get to fall first and then ease our way there.
Yeah, for the record, I am not one of those people asking when the snow is coming. I'm happy with this.
Yeah, we'll just take our time here, day by day.
All right, thank you so much.